Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Quicken Classic Premier. Okay, so the very first thing that we should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. That's right. And then here, just have to search for quicken.com. Okay, so you can also click on this one right here at the top. That's right. And then you just have to click on that website. After that, you will be directed to this section. Okay, so here on Quicken, as you can see at the top, we have the sign in option and the get started option. So right here, we have the Quicken Simplify, Business and Personal, Classic, Quicken Life Hub, and then the investing.quicken.com. Okay, so right here, I'm just going to click on the plans and pricing and then just click on the Classic Premier. Okay, so for the Classic Premier, this is a next level investment. So it's built for hands on data driven decision makers. Classic Premier helps you plan every move. So here we have $5.99 per month, and it's actually 29% off and billed annually. So here you can build your wealth with best in class investing tools and extraordinary customization. So first we have the Classic Deluxe plus more. So get everything that comes with Classic Deluxe. Create multiple budgets, manage and reduce debt, plan for the future, and reconcile for to the penny and best in class investing tools. So, preview buy sell tax implications, hit diversification targets with Morningstar X Ray. This one is Windows only, so see your IRR, your return of investment, benchmarks, and more. So, everything you need to take your investments further. Now, take on tax time with built-in tax reports. So get built-in tax reports for schedule A itemized deductions, B interest and dividend income, and D capital gains and losses, or build your own with category level tax line mapping. Now for the track and pay bills in Quicken, pay 11,500 plus network billers using electronics way and or let the Quicken send physical checks for you to anyone in the US with Quicken Bill Pay. It's all in one place. Click and it's all done. Now for the reconcile to the penny, check every transaction against your records and your budget automatically, and then catch a known transaction and anything that doesn't add up. Okay, now for the financial success, start with the right plan. Okay, so here we have the Classic Premier again, so you have to choose your version. Okay, so for the Premier, as you can see, best in class investing tools, track the performance and optimize your investment portfolio, set your budget, manage the debt, create a retirement plan, and then track pay bills in Quicken. Okay, so let's click on the learn more option. So again, we will be directed to this section again. Now, if you really want to get this plan, so you just have to click on the get started option. That's right. And right here, you have to start by creating an account. So you will use it to access your Quicken products. So first, you have to tap out your first name. That's right, your last name, and then your email address. After that, you will have to click on the get started option. Okay, so right here, we have frequently asked question like how is Premier different from other classic products? So the Premier includes everything that comes with Deluxe and more, and it's best for serious investors who want to make the most of every investment dollar. So get the most robust investment tools and optimize your portfolio. Make tax prep easy and maximize deduction with the built-in reports, and pay your upcoming bills directly in Quicken. So Premier focuses only on personal finances, not business or rental properties. Now, how can Premier help me pay down debt? So you can manage your debt in one place. Create cards, car loans, student loans, personal loans, mortgages, and more, and pay it all down with your debt reduction planner. So, what if tools let you compare two options and see your best plan? And whether that's paying off your smallest balances first or tracking your high interest loans. Now, how can Premier help me plan for retirement? So, use the lifetime planner to see how choices you make can impact your retirement and savings, contributions to your retirement age, or even buying a new home. Plus, get a comprehensive view of your retirement investment portfolio. Premier lets you evaluate individual holdings in ATFs and mutual funds with Morning Stars Portfolio X-ray tool. Manage your allocations even across multiple accounts and financial institutions. Preview buy sell tax implications and much more. Now, how can Premier help me stick to a budget? So, just like Deluxe, Premier scans your transactions to create a budget based on your actual income and expenses, then lets you tailor it to your lifestyle and priorities. How can Premier help me with tax season? So Premier including automatic built-in tax reports that you can pull up with just few clicks or customize them for your unique needs. Then export your data directly to TurboTax or email it to your accountant. Okay, so again, we cannot really access the Premier on this account since we really have to make some process so that we can have the Quicken. So we have to sign in and then we have to buy a plan. And as of the moment, we can only purchase the annual billing, and that's cost too much. So I'm going to show you that right here. Okay, so when we click on the get started option, you have to put your first name, your last name, and your email, and then you will be able to see the total amount that you have to pay as of the moment, and that is too much. So all you have to do is to go here, and then you just have to sign up for an account, and then from there you can now use Quicken to for your business to grow your business, and they also have different guide and instructions for you to really utilize the functions and the features of this tool. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.